In this video, I'll walk you through how to design Pinterest ads with AdCreative AI and why it's one of the easiest and most powerful tools you can use for your digital marketing campaigns. If you're looking to create stunning ads that convert but don't have the time or expertise, you'll want to stick around. Before we dive in, if you're new to AdCreative AI, this software makes ad design super simple by using AI to generate high-quality creatives in just a few clicks. If you're wondering how you can use this tool to design Pinterest ads that stand out, I've got you covered. Plus, I'm going to show you how you can try it out for free through an exclusive offer linked below. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know about AdCreative AI is that it's powered by artificial intelligence, which means it takes the guesswork out of designing high-performing ads. It doesn't matter if you're an expert or just starting with Pinterest ads. This tool streamlines the process. What it does is analyze massive amounts of data to understand what types of designs work best for driving conversions. It uses this data to create multiple creative options in just minutes, so you can pick the one that works best for your brand. So how do you actually design Pinterest ads? It's as simple as selecting your goal, whether that's traffic, conversions, or brand awareness, and then uploading some basic info like your logo, colors, and any text you want in the ad. From there, AdCreative AI does the rest. It suggests the most effective layouts, fonts, and images to ensure your ad is optimized for Pinterest's unique platform and audience. What makes this even better is that AdCreative AI integrates with Pinterest's ad platform, meaning you can directly upload your ad creatives to run your campaigns without any extra steps. It saves you time and ensures you're working with the best performing creative every single time. But that's not all. AdCreative AI allows you to A/B test your ads easily. It will generate multiple versions of the same ad, each with slight variations in design. This gives you a better chance of figuring out what your audience responds to the most, which is key for optimizing your Pinterest campaigns. A/B testing is essential for finding the highest converting creative, and AdCreative AI makes it painless. Now, here's the real kicker. You can use this software completely free by clicking the link below. Not only will you get access to the tool, but you'll also receive some exclusive bonuses to help boost your ad performance from the get-go. This is an offer that you won't want to miss if you're serious about scaling your Pinterest ads effectively. You might be wondering, what else can you do with AdCreative AI? Well, it's not just about Pinterest. Whether you're running Facebook, Instagram, or Google Ads, this software can generate creatives for any platform. It adapts your content to fit each platform's best practices, so you're always one step ahead of the competition. If you're new to the world of digital marketing or simply looking to improve your ad design process, AdCreative AI can be the game changer you need. It lets you harness the power of AI to produce ads that look great and perform even better. So, to wrap up, AdCreative AI is the perfect tool for anyone looking to design Pinterest ads that convert, save time, and optimize their campaigns without needing an expert skill set. Don't forget, you can start your free trial today with exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link below. Try it out and let me know in the comments how it worked for you.